What's up guys, this is Akhilan from AkhilanTech. In a couple of days, the Amazon Prime Day sales will start in the Amazon website. In this Amazon Prime Day sales, so many offers have been announced on the smartphones and some other gadgets. This Amazon Prime Day sale will start on August 6th and end on August 7th. It is around 1 day sale. In this video, I am going to cover some of the best smartphones that you can buy in these sales with the best discounts that you can get. OnePlus 70 smartphone is the last year's flagship mobile phone from the OnePlus company. This OnePlus 70 smartphone has the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor with the 98 AMOLED display. Original price of this OnePlus 70 was 38,000 rupees, but in this Prime Day sale, you will get this smartphone only at 30,000 rupees. All the links of these smartphones are linked in the description below. You can just click and participate in the sale and buy the phone. Samsung Galaxy M31 is the budget-based smartphone. It has some of the special features like the 64 megapixel camera support. It has the AMOLED display with around 6000 mAh battery. You will get this Samsung Galaxy M31 smartphone only at 16,499 rupees in these Prime Day offers. Samsung Galaxy S10 smartphone is one of my favorite smartphones in the last year because this is the flagship smartphone from the Samsung company and it has some of the great features like the amazing display experience. This Samsung Galaxy S10 smartphone was originally priced at 71,000 rupees, but in this Prime Day sales, you will get this smartphone only at 50,000 rupees. That is around 20,000 rupees have been reduced and they have kept in this sale. So if you want to buy a Samsung flagship smartphone, then you can take a look at this Samsung Galaxy S10 smartphone. OnePlus 8 smartphone is the flagship smartphone in this year. This OnePlus 8 is a 5G based smartphone with the 98 AMOLED display and it supports a Snapdragon 865 processor. This OnePlus 8 smartphone is priced at 42,000 rupees. If you want to know more about the OnePlus 8 smartphone, I have made an unboxing video of this OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro smartphones. If you haven't watched that video, it will be linked in the cards and even in the description below. Just go and watch that video. Redmi 8A Dual smartphone is the entry-level smartphone from the Redmi company. This Redmi 8A Dual has around 5000 mAh battery and it comes with the Snapdragon 439 processor. This is an rare processor that we find in the market. You can get this Redmi 8A smartphone at 7,500 rupees in the Prime Day sales. Redmi Note 9 Pro Max is one of the most hyped smartphones in the smartphone industry and most of the people are just trying to buy this Redmi Note 9 Pro Max smartphone. This Redmi Note 9 Pro Max smartphone is one of the best budget smartphone. This smartphone is priced around 16,499 rupees and as I told you, if you click link in the description below, you can get the discount offer on this smartphone. Not only on this smartphone but all the smartphones I have listed. iPhone 11 smartphone is one of the best iPhone budget smartphone. Officially, the discount price have been not announced by the Amazon company in this Amazon Prime Day sales of this iPhone 11 smartphone. But on the Amazon Prime Day sale, you will get this iPhone 11 under a certain budget category. This iPhone 11 smartphone link is also in the description below. Go and buy it. OnePlus Nord smartphone is one of the most hyped smartphone till the recent times and I have made a dedicated video on that. If you haven't watched that video, it will be linked in the cards and even in the description below. Go and watch that video. This OnePlus Nord smartphone is one of the best budgets, not budget, at a mid-range smartphone from the OnePlus company. It is priced at 24,999 rupees. Actually, this smartphone did not come to sale till date. The pre-booking orders have been taken by the OnePlus company and officially this smartphone will come to the sale on August 4th and on August 6th you can find a discount around 10% to 20% on this smartphone if you use the HDFC bank credit cards and some other offers have been listed on all the smartphones that I have listed in this video. If you find this video informative, drop us a like down below and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to AkhilanTech YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell icon so that you'll be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. And also don't forget to watch this video out there because it will be more interesting. And that's it from me today. See you next time.